Creating high-quality UGC ads used to mean finding creators, shipping products, waiting for revisions, and spending hundreds of dollars on just one video. But what if you could use AI to handle almost the entire process? Today, I'm going to show you a workflow that starts with Claude, which helps generate the marketing strategy and ad script, and then uses Create UGC to turn those ideas into realistic video ads in minutes. I'll walk you through the complete process from idea to finished video so you can see exactly how it works. If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today. If you've been running an e-commerce store, working with clients, or creating marketing content, you've probably noticed one thing. Creating fresh video ads consistently is one of the biggest challenges. Every new creative usually requires another creator, another script, another editing session, and another round of revisions. That process can become expensive and time-consuming, especially when you want to test multiple marketing angles. That's why AI workflows have become so popular. Instead of replacing creativity, they help speed up the production process. One of my favorite combinations is using Claude together with an AI UGC platform. Let me show you exactly how that works. The biggest mistake people make is opening an AI video generator without knowing what they actually want to create. Instead, I always begin with Claude. Rather than asking it to simply write an ad, I give it context about the product, the target audience, and the overall goal of the campaign. Claude can help brainstorm different marketing angles, generate several hooks, write a structured UGC-style script, suggest scene ideas, and even create natural dialogue that sounds conversational. Instead of staring at a blank page, you already have multiple creative directions to choose from. You can also ask Claude to produce different versions of the same script, allowing you to test multiple approaches without rewriting everything manually. Once I'm happy with the script, it's time to bring it to life. Now I open Create UGC, the AI UGC platform I'll be using throughout this workflow. This is where the workflow becomes really efficient. Instead of filming with a camera or coordinating with creators, I simply import the script generated by Claude into Create UGC. From there, I can choose an AI presenter, customize the voice, adjust the tone, and build each scene according to the storyboard. One feature I really like about Create UGC is that I'm not limited to traditional talking avatar videos. Depending on the campaign, I can also create videos where the AI creator naturally holds the product or generates reaction-style content, giving me more creative options without organizing a real video shoot. I can also upload product images or videos, add captions, include background footage, and control the pacing of each scene. If I want to test another version of the ad, I don't need to start from scratch. I simply generate another script in Claude, import it into Create UGC, and create a second variation. That makes it much easier to compare different messaging styles and creative concepts. Within a relatively short amount of time, I have several polished video ads ready for review. What I like most about this workflow is that each tool focuses on what it does best. Claude helps organize ideas, structure the messaging, and create persuasive scripts. The AI UGC platform focuses on turning those scripts into realistic marketing videos. Instead of spending hours switching between brainstorming, writing, filming, and editing, much of the repetitive work becomes significantly faster. That means I can spend more time refining the campaign, reviewing the final creative, and testing different concepts. This workflow can be useful for many different types of creators and businesses. If you run an e-commerce brand, you can use Create UGC to produce different styles of product ads. Whether you want a creator introducing your product, holding it naturally on screen, or creating reaction-style content, all without organizing a traditional video shoot. If you're part of a marketing agency, you can prepare several creative concepts for clients more efficiently. If you're a content creator, you can quickly produce promotional videos for your own products or sponsorships. And if you're experimenting with different marketing messages, generating multiple variations becomes much more manageable. The goal isn't to replace human creativity, it's to remove repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy and storytelling. Overall, I think combining Claude with Create UGC creates a practical workflow for producing marketing content more efficiently. Claude helps generate ideas, scripts, and creative direction, while Create UGC transforms those concepts into polished AI UGC videos. Whether you need a talking avatar video, a creator holding your product, or a reaction-style ad, it gives you multiple ways to bring your marketing ideas to life without a traditional video shoot. Whether you're building campaigns for clients, promoting your own products, or simply exploring AI-powered content creation, this combination is definitely worth exploring. If you'd like to try Create UGC for yourself, I've included the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.